For 25 years, the Toyota Highlander has been a leading model among family SUVs. Over its 4 generations, we've sold more than 3.6 million in the US. And globally, we've sold almost 6 million under the Highlander and Kluger nameplates. Among Toyota models, it was our first mid-size unibody SUV, and later our first hybrid SUV. Tonight, Highlander's story adds a new chapter. What do you think? Introducing the all-new 2027 Toyota Highlander. Completely redesigned, inside and out, this all-new Highlander brings stunning style, everyday utility with 3-row seating for up to 7, and it will come exclusively with a battery electric powertrain. To say it's a head-turner is an understatement. Its sleek, modern exterior signals advanced styling combined with SUV capabilities. It has clean lines, broad fenders, and arrow-shaped details like flush electronic door handles. We've even given it available 2-tone paint for those customers who want a little extra pizzazz. Inside, the cabin is modern and user-friendly with a large 14-inch touchscreen, digital gauge cluster, and fully customizable ambient lighting. It also has the largest available panoramic roof in the Toyota lineup. We've thoughtfully designed it with smart interior storage, ample device charging for every row, available rear window shades, power folding second row seats, and a hands-free power liftgate. It also has our latest tech, including our newest multimedia system and the latest Toyota Safety Sense system, so the experience feels smart, intuitive, and reassuring from the first drive. And speaking of tech, the all-new Highlander will be the first Toyota sold in the US with vehicle-to-load technology. With it, the new Highlander can power your home if there's a power outage. Toyota will be offering bi-directional charging accessories that unleash this exciting new capability, and we'll share more details later this year. As a BEV model, the 2027 Highlander is our first electric vehicle for large families, packaging the thrill of driving with the space, comfort, and utility busy lives demand. It's also the first 3-row battery electric Toyota and the 4th BEV in our lineup, marking another milestone in more than 3 decades of electrification leadership. Customers can choose from 2 grades, XLE or Limited, and available front or all-wheel drives with ranges up to 320 miles. It will have standard DC fast charging, taking about 30 minutes to charge from 10% to 80%. That keeps the pit stop short, giving families the confidence to go more places with fewer stops. We're also giving it plenty of acceleration, with up to 338 horsepower and 323 pound-feet of torque for a smooth, snappy power that allows for confident passing. The new Highlander will be proudly assembled in America at Toyota Motor Manufacturing, Kentucky, where we've invested nearly $1 billion to expand our electrified vehicle production. And our investment won't stop there. Over the next 5 years, we are planning an additional investment of $10 billion to further grow our manufacturing capabilities, bringing our total U.S. investment to over $60 billion. And as we expand our electrification lineup, we're building the battery supply here too. Batteries for Highlander will come from our newly opened $13.9 billion battery assembly plant in North Carolina. As I said, choice matters, and it's a big part of our commitment to our customers. Whether they need a car, a truck, a family hauler, or an off-roader, gas engine or electrified, Toyota has it all. This new Highlander adds yet another fantastic option to that mix, with stunning design, room for the whole family, and cutting-edge technology, all backed by Toyota's long-standing commitments to electrification. We can't wait for it to go on sale by early 2027, so we can welcome even more families into the Toyota BEV experience. Thank you again for coming. We really appreciate your time, and now I invite you to come down and take a closer look at this electrifying new Highlander. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the Top Cars channel